Hello, everyone, my name is Abhishek. And we are going to create 3D fur effect in Illustrator. First of all, I want my background to be black. So I am going to create a rectangle equal to my canvas. Then lock it. Create a new layer. Select the ellipse tool. And create a circle. Then select the scissors tool. Cut the circle in half. Then create a small circle. Create a gradient. Now duplicate the circle. By pressing Alt or Option key. Select both the circle. And go to Object Blend. Blending options and select specific steps. And put 500, then hit OK. Now again. Go to Object Blend. And click Make. Duplicate the shape. And select semicircle and one shape. Then go to Object Blend, replace spine. Adjust both the shapes. Now select it and go to Object Arrange to send backward. Then select both the shapes. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Then roughen. Adjust the values. Now adjust the shape. And there you have your 3D furry effect. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to Designsubway.
Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house. Bored in the